Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome to Abundant Gains. Here on my channel, I talk all things budgeting, and I'm simply taking you through my financial journey. So today I'm going to be stuffing $1,840, and this is my third check for September, or my bonus check. Yes, as you can see, I am missing some fingernails, and the reason being is that I got kittens and I will explain that as we go through the video. Let's just go ahead and dive right into it. So 1840 is the total. 210 is going into my mini envelopes, and 410 is going into my cash binder, and 1220 is going into my sinking funds. So here is the amount for each envelope specifically. And you might be able to hear my kittens in the background. They are in my room, so they aren't very happy about that. The crystal for this video is Crackle Quartz. I don't remember if I've already shown you guys this crystal, but if I haven't, here she is. I will leave in the description box all of her properties, and I love the way that this looks. I love how this crystal really does look like it's cracked inside, which I believe is why they call it Crackle Quartz. If you're interested, definitely check out my description box. So I have been super excited over the fact that it is now fall, and I'm so excited. That is one of my two favorite seasons of the year, and I get to definitely celebrate that and be at home. I wish that I wasn't on a deployment right now, because I would have my nails like completely festive and completely fall themed. For now, I'm gonna have to stick with the Walgreens press-ons because I can't have permanent nails like that right now. And as you can see, I don't have any 5s or 1s, so I'm so happy about that. And I have a whole bunch of 100s, 12 to be exact. So I still have money in eating out. I did not use my eating out money, so this is $40, and I'll set that to the side. And groceries, I have 10. I don't have anything in spending, and toiletries, I have $1, $2, $3. I'm gonna put this back here, and you'll see what I do with this later. Groceries is getting 100, so 50, 70, 90, 100. Spending is getting 30 once again, it's 20, 30. Eating out is going to get 40 as usual. And toiletries is also getting 40. All right, so that is all for my mini envelopes, and I'm gonna grab my cash binder next. So beauty is getting 60, same as last video as well. So 50, 60. And beauty, I now have 50, 60, 70. Car maintenance is also getting 60. So car maintenance, I have 50, 100, 50, 200, 50, 60. So 260. Clothing is getting 80. So 50, 70, and 80. 50, 100, 50, 70, 80. So 180. Family time is going to get 80 as well. So 50, 70, 80. So 50, 100, 20, 40, 60, 80, 200, 10, 20, 30, 31, 32, 33. 233 and family time. Fun is getting 30. So I haven't really been going out too much over the last few weeks. Like I did go to the movies last week, but that was the first time in like a really long time. So I'm gonna lower down the amount because right now I'm just not going out as much. So fun, I have 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 10, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. So 125 and my fun envelope. And gifts is getting 100. Yesterday was my mom's birthday and I was able to get her some stuff, but there's also one more thing I want to give her. So I do want to put a little bit extra in here for that. So gifts is 1, 2, 3, 20. So 320. And invest will get money this week. I will be putting in this that was left over from my mini envelopes. So invest is getting 20, 40, 50, 51, 52, 53. Okay, and that is all for my cash binders. And next I'll stuff my big girl binder, starting with emergency. Oh. So today is the 26th. And emergency is getting 150. So 150. I now have 1, 200, 300, 20, 40, 60, 80, 400, 450, 60, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 500, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So I have 514 and emergency. Oh no, I've somehow broken this. Oh man. All right, well, I'm gonna have to fix this on camera, off camera, because it's gonna take me forever. Medical is going to get 100. Okay, so medical, I now have 100. 20, 40, 60, 80, 200, 20, 40, 60, 70, 80, 90, 300, 350, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85. So I have 385 in my medical. And that is going back in there. Next is my savings, and yes, I have practically nothing in here because I got those kittens and I had to get a bunch of other stuff for them. So I have $7 in my savings. So I am restarting my savings once again. I know I'm not doing the greatest job, but the reason I did get the kittens is because I just felt like quite lonely here and really wanted some kind of company, and I've been wanting some kittens. Now I do have them, and they pretty much emptied my savings account, but I will put in 300 today. So that's now 307, but I shouldn't be pulling too much out of my savings from now on. It's just been, I guess you could say, bad timing, but I truly felt pushed to get my kittens, and I'm super happy that I did. So we'll definitely just keep building on to this one from now on. So that is all for my big girl binder. And last is my sinking funds. And I'm not doing Christmas. Future home is going to get 200 today. So 100, 200. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 900, 950, 955 is what I have for my future home envelope. And that's almost at 1,000. So I will be getting 1K slips for my future home and for my future 1K slips that I will have in here. Mystery is getting 150. Okay, so 150. So in mystery, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 500, 520, 530, 40, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56. So 556. And vacation is getting 320. So that is 320. So 1, 2, 3, and 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 500, 600, 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, 700, 750, 760, 65, 70, 75, 76. So 776 in vacation. And that concludes my cash stuffing. And I will go ahead and do my coins really fast. One of my kittens did break my clay hand that I did make a few months back. So I am going to glue it together because it's not too bad, but I am gonna have to use my coaster to put my coins on. All right. All right, so my new total is $24.55, and I'm going to quickly add up what I do have so that I can go ahead and see see the months difference. Last month in my sinking funds, I ended with $22.94 in my sinking funds, and today I ended with $34.93 added all together. So in total, I was able to add $1,199 into my sinking funds for this month. Of course, I believe my savings was at 304 last video, but I added 300 in there today. So that is just the total number for now. Here are my kittens. This is Freya and this is Celine, and they are sisters and they're 9 weeks old. They're super cute and super friendly. They love people. This is the mischievous one, and then this is the calm one. So I get a little bit of both worlds right there. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.